All right, good morning, students. So, we want to look at work examples based on our previous lesson. So, this should be lesson 4. Now, let's look at this example. We are meant to evaluate this 17.83 times 246.9 divided by 256.2 times 3.28 using logarithm tables. So, how can we make use of logarithm tables to evaluate this? Take note, you can easily punch this one in your calculator and get an answer. But this time around, the instruction is to make use of logarithm tables. So how can we make use of logarithm tables to solve this question? So we do number and log. So let's take it step by step. So you pick the first number, 17.83. You find the log of this number. Firstly, the characteristics of this number is 2. Characteristics means the number before the decimal point. We have two numbers before the decimal point. It means the characteristics is 2. So you subtract 1 from 2, that will be 1. So you place the 1, then dot, then you use your logarithm tables. You check 17 under 8 difference 3 from your logarithm tables. I repeat, you check from a logarithm tables 17 under 8 difference 3. So let's go to logarithm tables now. So this is the logarithm tables. So we check for 17 under 8 difference 3. This is 17 under 8. That is 2504. 2504 plus difference 3. So we add the difference. This is 17 under 8 difference 3. So the difference is 7. So we add 7 to this. 4 plus 7, 11. 1, 1, then 5, 2. So we have it to be 2, 5, 1, 1. This is the logarithm of 17.83. So we repeat the same thing. We pick the next number, 246.9. 246.9. The characteristics of this number is 3. That is 3 numbers before the decimal point. You subtract 1, that will be 2. So you say 2 dot, then you use your logarithm tables to check for 24 under 6 difference 9. You check from your logarithm tables 24 under 6 difference 9. So we go to logarithm tables now. These logarithm tables, 24 under 6, that's 3909. 24 under 6 difference 9. Difference 9 is 16. So we are adding 16. So we are adding 16. 9 plus 6, 15. Carry 1 here. 1 plus 1, 2, 9, and 3. That will be 395. That will be 3925. Now, these two numbers were placed at the numerator. Between them is multiplication, that is 17.83 times 246.9, which means the addition. Multiplication means addition in logarithms. So we add these two numbers together. So 1 plus 5, 6. 1 plus 2, 3. 5 plus 9, 14. Carry 1. 1 plus 2 plus 3, 6. Point. 1 plus 2, 3. This is the numerator. So we keep this. This is our numerator. Now, let's continue. Let's go back to the denominator. So we go to the question now. We have 256.2, 256.2. The characteristics here is 3. That is, we have 3 numbers before the decimal point. You subtract 1, that will be 2. Then dot. You now use your logarithm tables to check 25 under 6 difference 2. Now, let's go to the logarithm tables. 25 under 6 difference 2. This is 25 under 6. That is 4082. That is 4082. 2. That is 25 under 6. Now, difference 2 will give us 3. This is difference 2. Difference 2 will give us 3. So we had the difference. That will be 4085. So you come back to the question that we insert. 4085. That is 256.2. So it means the log of 256.2 is 2.4085. The next number is 3.28. 3.28. This means that you check for 32 under 8. Firstly, the characteristics here is what? 1. That is, there is one number before the decimal point. You subtract 1 from 1, that will be 0. So we have 0 point. Now let's check 32 under 8 from our logarithm tables. Let's go to the logarithm table. 32 under 8. This is under 8. 5159. So we come back here and place 5159. Between these two, at the denominator level, between the two is multiplication. That is 256.2 times 3.28, which means addition. Multiplication means addition in logarithm. So we add these two numbers together. 5 plus 9, 14. Carry 1 here, you add it to 8, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. You still have your 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 4 plus 5, 9. Dot 2 plus 0, 2. So this is your denominator. Now, between the numerator and denominator is division. And division means subtraction in logarithms. So, meaning that 17.82 times 246.9 divided by 256.2 times 3.28. Since that is the last operation, we rule over. Now, this is the order of everything, which means your numerator minus your denominator, because division means subtraction in logarithms. So we need to subtract numerator minus denominator. So let's subtract. 6 minus 4, we have it to be what? 2. 6 minus 4, 2. 3 minus 4 is not possible. So you borrow 1 from 4, add it to 3, that make it 13. 13 minus 4, you have 9. Then 4 is now left with 3. 3 minus 2, you have 1. Then you have 6 minus 9 is not possible. So you borrow 1 from 3, you add it to 6 to make it 16. So 16 minus 9, that will be 7. You've already borrowed 1 from 3, you are left with 2. 2 minus 2, you have 0. We rule over because that is more or less like the last operation. That's going to be the last operation. So this is the subtraction of this. So we can repeat this number here, 0.7192. That is your last operation. The final answer now is to find the antilog of this, your last operation. So that means we need to find the antilog of 0.7192. To do that, remember in our lesson 2 and lesson 3, I explained how to find the antilog of numbers. So let's repeat the same procedure here. Now, you keep this number. This number represents, it indicates the position of your decimal point. So we leave this. From your antilog table, you check 0.71 under 9, difference 2. So let's go to the antilogarithm table. So this is table 2 from your 4-figure table. This is 0.71. Now we need under 9. 0.71 under 9, difference 2. So let's put that down. 0.71 under 9 is 5, 5, 3, 5, 2, 3, 6. Difference 2 is still 2. That will give us 5238. By the time we add, that will give us 5238. That is the antilog. Now, this 0 represents the position of the decimal point. Together, you add 1 to this 0, that will give us 1. It means you are going to have 1 decimal place after the first number, so you have your what? Your decimal point. That gives us 5.238. And that is our final answer. What that tells us is that 17.83 times 246.9 divided by 256.2 times 3.28 will give us 5.283 with the use of logarithm tables. You can confirm this from your calculator by punching it. So this will be the end of this example. So in our next lesson, we'll be looking at another example. Thank you.